Hello everyone! Today my video is going to be the speed paint of my participation for Arteza Awards. Have you heard about this contest already? Are you joining it? The contest has many appealing prizes and you can check all of them on the link I have on my description box that goes straight to their blog. I can tell you that there will be 3 artists of the year. You have the bronze, the silver and the gold, and 3 category winners with painting of the year, drawing of the year and do-it-yourself artwork of the year, and so many good chances for artists. Make sure to join on Arteza subscription form on the blog website first and then share it on your Instagram with the right hashtags. You have until the 24th of August. When I heard about this contest, I was a bit short with time, but Arteza has been so supportive with my art and sending me so many materials over time to review and experiment, so I really had to take a bit my time to participate. My entry, it's also a thank you to this company. Thank you so much for believing in me and I hope this is of your liking. This drawing was made using their colored pencils and their grey tone sketch pad. I really enjoy and I like how this paper makes, with the use of the colored pencils, stand out an illustration so much. I really had a lot of fun and I wanted to use many colors and of course including the rainbow, because I think the rainbow is something that inspires many artists and Arteza has so many colors and that's what art is all about. So I wanted to make something with that idea in mind. I gave a very colorful hair but also wings to this girl and just make the outfit black and white. That's what reminds me of Arteza. If you want to buy any materials from Arteza, don't forget to use my 10% discount code that you can find on the description box below. Also, you can find the links to the materials I used in this video in the description box below too. Besides those links, you can also find my other reviews of Arteza materials on the description box. It will lead you to the real brush pens, the acrylics, the gouache. I have many videos, so just check on it. And I really hope you enjoy it. Last but not the least, have you joined my giveaway already? You also have until the 24th of August to join. I chose the same date of their contest to do my giveaway. I have a watercolor book to give away on YouTube, but also Instagram. Check my last video, not this one, about Arteza review, and you can also participate on my giveaway over there. On Instagram, please follow me there to find the rules and also have more chances to win Arteza material. If everything goes right and this giveaway has many participations, I might have more giveaways in the future and even more materials for you to experiment and use. Also, the giveaway is worldwide, so what are you waiting for? I really hope you enjoyed this video and don't forget to give a like and subscribe to the channel. Make sure your notifications are on so you won't miss my future content. As for the winners of the giveaway, I will show on my Instagram who are the winners, but also comment on the video I did the giveaway to tell who won. If the winner does not respond in 1 week, I will choose a second winner until sending it to someone. So have your notifications on, please. I hope you enjoyed this video, and don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Make sure your notifications are on so you won't miss my future content.